Hello, Team Easy Dating. I'm pumped up to be here. Today's topic is how to make a man feel really special. And I'm so pumped up about this because, like, making a man really want you, in the past, I always talked about needed, appreciated, accepted. And I love that. And I think it's fantastic. And making him feel appreciated really makes a man gravitate towards you. And that's what we want. We want men to gravitate towards you. They want to see you as irresistible and someone they want to be around so that love can blossom and you can see if you're compatible. But I did an interview the other day with Adam Galad, and he gave me something that really blew my mind and taught me how to take appreciated to the real next level. And I thought about, like he said to me, and I think I'm quoting him, I don't care. I mean, it's nice when a woman says, I love you. But when they explain how they admire me, that makes me want to like never leave her side and just lights me up like nothing else. So I want to talk about appreciation as admiration and how you can do that, assuming it's authentic to really make a man want to be with you and be near you and be around you and ultimately just make you a better person. And you can use this in every aspect of your life, whether you're talking to your boss, your father, your brother, your sister, your friend. It's going to make you be this amazing person. So admiration, I want you to look at the guy you're with and think about what makes you so excited about him. Like, I think Kelly did this to me the other day, a while ago. And what she admires about me is when I'm in a group setting or I've realized maybe someone feels out of place, is I'll go talk to them and try to make them feel a part of the group or make them feel special and make sure they feel welcome. And that's kind of my thing. I look for the person that, is in the corner or not talking to anybody, and I like to go over there. And she would say to me, like, you're such a good person. Like, I can't believe you do that. Like, I really admire that you're the type of person that would do that. And you're the type of person that I would want to spend my life with because I know you have such a good heart and you have good character. And think about what she's saying. She's using big, big things to talk about me. Good character, good person. And that's huge. That makes me light up because when we look at ourselves on a daily or monthly basis, sometimes we have self-esteem days where low self-esteem days where we're like, man, I'm not really that great of a person, or I'm not making a big enough impact, or, am I enough, or am I wonderful? And, I especially am very confident and love myself and think I'm fantastic, but having another person who's your support system really admire you and bring you up, that's very uplifting and very exciting and makes me want to be with her because she makes me feel, bigger than myself. So anyway, the biggest thing you can do instead of just appreciation is how do you admire this person? What are the qualities that make him differentiated and better than other men or make him special to you? And so that's like the ultimate appreciation or the ultimate compliment that you can give your male partner. So take some time. And if you've been with someone for a bit or as you're getting to know a new man, think about what's exciting you about this person. And imagine being able to tell him on the second, third, fifth, eighth date and how he's going to feel. And he's going to like probably look at you differently after he gets this admiration from you. So I challenge all of you, if you're new to dating and you like a guy and you admire something about it and it's authentic and you mean it, is go out there and try it. Now, go down here in the comments. If you're terrified and be like, Mike, I'm not doing that. He's going to chase me and all this stuff. Let me know if you feel that way. But for you daring, confident, amazing women that are really ready to put yourself out there and take dating to an elevated state, then come party with me and let me know that, yes, I am going to do that. I'm going to try it. Or I'm not dating anyone now, but in the next few months, or whenever I meet someone that I admire, I am going to do that because I want to take this to a big level and I want to get massive results. And I want to have a massive change in my love life. So anyway, guys, I love you. If you want to take it to the next step and get coaching from me, hop on down there, set up a 15-minute call with me. There's a link to sign up. And otherwise, share this video, please, with your friends that it will help. And hit like, hit subscribe if you want to get a video every Tuesday. And this is Team Easy Dating. Love all of you. And hopefully we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.